Today, you will learn how to convert column to row in Word. First, select the table you want to convert. Press Ctrl-C to copy it. Next, open Microsoft Excel, click on any empty cell, and press Ctrl-V to paste the table. The pasted table will be selected automatically. Now press Ctrl-C again to copy it. Click on another empty cell where you want the converted table to appear. Click the small arrow below the Paste button and choose Transpose. This will instantly change all the columns into rows and all the rows into columns while keeping most of the formatting. Now select the transposed table and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Go back to your Word document, place the cursor where you want the new table, and press Ctrl-V to paste it. Your table is now converted, and you can adjust the formatting if needed. That's all it takes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.